Number 9 of November 2020, paper 1. We're asked to use substitution x equal to tangent of u to find the value of the integral of from 0 to 1 of x squared over 1 plus x squared cube dx. So if we substitute in tangent of u, this is going to be tangent squared of u over 1 plus tangent squared of u cube, and then for dx you can find the derivative of x equal to tangent of u. It's going to be dx over du sec squared of u, right? So dx will be sec squared of u du, and we know that 1 plus tangent squared of u is simply sec squared of u. So if you substitute in sec squared of u to the power of 3, it's going to be sec to the power of 6u multiplied by sec squared of u du. So this will become 4 sec to the power of 4u, and this will be cancelled out. Let me continue writing here. Alright. So tangent squared of u is simply sine squared of u over cosine squared of u, and times cosine to the power of 4u. This will become squared, and this will cancel out. Right. And I'll continue here. So we'll have sine squared of u multiplied by cosine squared of u du. Now, in order to simplify this further so you can integrate it, you have to use your knowledge from trig and trig identities. So if you recall, when we have sine 2u, it's going to be sine, it's going to be 2 sine u cosine of u, right? Now this is squared, so you can just go ahead and square both sides. And now you can simply take the 2 squared to the left and then substitute in sine of u, substitute in sine squared of 2u over 4 for sine squared of u cosine squared of u. So it's going to be 1 over 4 sine squared of 2u du. Now what? Again, using your knowledge from trigs, you can use this time cosine of 4u. So cosine of 4u is going to be 1 minus 2 sine squared of 2u, right? And so 2 sine squared of 2u, simply 1 minus cosine of 4u. If we take the 2 to the right, it's going to be 1 minus cosine of 4u divided by 2. So really this is 1 over 8 the integral of 1 minus cosine of 4u du. Okay, so that's simplified as much as you need for the integration. So 1 over 8. Now if you integrate it, it's going to be u minus sine of 4u divided by 4, right? And the boundaries are for, these are the boundaries for x. So I'm going to substitute in x. I'm going to substitute in u, I'm sorry. So x equal to tangent of u, so u is equal to arctan of x, sine of 4 arctan of x divided by 4 from 0 to 1, right? 1 over u. Now arctan of 1 is simply pi over 4 minus sine 4 times pi over 4, which is going to be sine of pi, and sine of pi is 0, so you don't have to write that. So that's it. So your final answer is going to be pi over 32.